Sarah lives in England. She does some research on the internet and sees that the same type of smartphone on sale in Germany and America. In Germany, the phone costs €1,149. In America, the phone costs $999. Sarah finds out these exchange rates. €1 is 0.90, i.e. €1 is 90p, and that £1 is currently valued at £1.26. Which country has the cheapest phone and by how much, given your answer in pounds? So, taking each country separately, we know that it costs 1,149, and we know each euro is 0.9 of a pence, so we need to do the calculation using this exchange rate here. We need to take this and multiply it by 0.90, which will give me £1,034.10. In America, we are given the cost in $999, so we use this exchange rate. £1 is equal to $1.26. So we need to see how many times 1.26 goes into this number. So here we have to do a division, which is actually going to give me 792.86 to the nearest pence. And therefore the difference in price, which is quite a bit, is going to be 1,034.10 minus 792.86, which is a difference of £241.24. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to use exchange rates and how to work out the difference of a cost of a particular item. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.